Wow, look at this. Here on the beaches of Coatzacoalcos, they've got some cannons, some cannonballs. Let's go check it out from close. Ship mast. It's a real cannon, or is it a concrete cannon? It's a concrete cannon, but still looks good. They did a very good job on this cannon. Some cannonballs back there. I wonder if people climb up there. You get a daredevil who will climb up that thing. I'm not gonna do it because a cop goes by, they're gonna arrest me, and I really don't care for Mexican jails. But this is nice. So they have a beautiful beach here, and it goes on for as far as my eye can see. But the problem is the area near the beach, it's kind of run down. All the lights are broken. Some of the seawalls are caving in. That's the only sad thing. But if you avoid all this mess here and you concentrate on the sand beach, it is beautiful. And there's very few people walking out there. Here we got a sign that says Coatza. Because the name of the city is Coatzacoalcos, but that's what everybody calls it, Coatza. It's an abbreviated version. Right here along the Malecon. Welcome to Coatzacoalcos, Veracruz, Mexico. Wow, what is that? Let's go check it out. Wow, look at this. It's like a replica of a ruin. I don't know, Mayan or Aztec. It looks a little like Aztec. And they have, oh, it'll be Mayan because that there is Coatzacoalcos. Coatzacoalcos is on top of this man-made Maya ruin. Wow, I have to head up there and check it out. They got stairs going up. There's some people sitting there. Oh, this is nice. Look at that, it's a long ways up. Got a little railing I can hold on to, but the steps are very narrow. This is a nice lookout point. See, there's Coatzacoalcos. Wow, a great view from up here. Look at that. There they got a playground for the kids. Bunch of couples sitting around up here. This is where they come to get away from the parents. Look at that beautiful beach. This is so pretty. Beach goes miles, miles and miles. Look at that. Amazing. Well, let me head back down. Very narrow stairs for my big feet. Look, my feet are way too big for the stairs. Luckily, I can hold on to the side. This is really a nice little attraction here. Very cool. Very, very cool. Check it out, guys.